When it's late at night, I speak to the moon. It sings to me in sweet melodies of tune. Says, boy, I know you're falling in her trance, even though she messes up all your day plans. You're in love like a thief. Something's hiding underneath. You're in love like a toad. You're already under her spell. Well, no, there can't be no, not just yet. Not falling for some girl that I've just met. So quit telling me that she's the one. She's the lady of your dreams. The story that you're writing hasn't even begun. I'm not in love, I can see. It's a story not made for me. Said I'm not in love, I can tell. No, I don't believe in her spells. But maybe it's working on me. Cause when I close my eyes at night, she's all I see. Maybe it's all in my head, but I know that I'd much rather have it in my heart instead. I'm in love, now I see. Oh, she's had a hold on me. I'm in love, yes, it's true. I thought I'd tell you about my conversation with the moon. When it's late at night, I speak to the moon. It sings to me in sweet melodies of tune. Says, boy, I know you're falling in her trance, even though she messes up all your day plans. You're in love like a thief. Something's hiding underneath. You're in love like a toad. You're already under her spell. Well, no, there can't be no, not just yet. Not falling for some girl that I've just met. So quit telling me that she's the one. She's the lady of your dreams. The story that you're writing hasn't even begun. not in love. I can see